Welcome to the M2I eContrack inspection tutorial for the United Living SHEQ database. In this tutorial, we will be adding inspection records onto the system and filling in data within them. You can access the database club site using the URL on screen. On the home screen, click the yellow magnifying glass button to go to the inspections page. On this page, you can see there are add buttons for different data entry forms and a reporting section below for viewing data gathered by these forms. Add an SHEQ inspection using the button on the left. Fill out the information for the inspection's company project and date and location at which it is carried out. Then click the Start button to create the inspection record and add data into it. Unlike our scorecard system, the inspection is a non-linear, fill-out-as-you-go form, which allows any number of entries of any type to be placed in at any order. For this example, you could be carrying out a site inspection where the first item you see is one that fits under the category of noise, dust, asbestos, and vibration. Select that section, and then select the appropriate measure. Select a score best fit to the condition of the item being observed. Below the main scoring section, there are 3 tabs. The first is a comment section for giving more detail on the item. The Activity tab allows the assessor to add a contact to be emailed on this particular item so that they may follow it up. Then there is the Documents tab for uploading documents, usually photographs, for giving evidence or more detail for an item. When you have entered all the data for this item, click Done to save it. The same measure can be used again for a separate item, if, for example, there are multiple asbestos items on site. If you add an entry by accident, you can remove it by clicking on the Delete button. When the inspection is finished, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Finish button. This takes you to the End page. On this page, the first section is the Nominate Closer field, where you can enter a contact to later on view and close down this scorecard when all site corrections have been made. Along the bottom of the page, you can navigate back to the start of the scorecard, view the summary to get a brief overview of the scorecard and navigate to individual measures, use the Notes tab to enter notes against the record as a whole, and use the Email tab to add contacts to be emailed a PDF copy of this record. The closer will need a closer request email to be sent to them in order for them to close out the inspection. Tick the Request Closure box, and then click the Send Emails button to do this. You can click the PDF tab to get a view of a PDF copy of the inspection. This is what will be emailed to the closer and contacts in the email list. When you have finished filling out the inspection record, click the I have finished button to save and mark the record as complete. This concludes the tutorial. If you need help with the SHEQ eContrack system, you can call or email the M2I support team using the address and number on screen.